She wants to discuss your dark rooms.
Oh, she said.
She hit every branch on the ugly tree and should learn how to do a headstand in her stupid gaming chair and chew bubble gum with her muscles.
Oh no, not another one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my. Fuck. Okay, okay. Moment of truth. Is the camera fucked up? Is the camera fucked up? It's not coming out. Fuck. I've gone through like 4 of these. How come every other streamer is fine? Every other streamer doesn't even need one. Holy fuck. What is this floor made out of? Oh, granite stone. Just the cover. $730 still. I've gone there so many. Camera's good? Okay. Stay. Chat, I don't have a mirror, so I'm going off by your eyeballs. What do you think? Can I pull it off? There's gloves in it. What do you think? Can I pull it off? Can I pull it off? I know, I was so scared. What do you think? Can I pull it off? Do I give the villainous vibe? No. Cruella, kind of fresh. No, no. I'm getting a little mixed reviews here. Can you are pimp? It's not real fur. It's a no. I don't have a mirror. Is there a mirror? It's $15 though. It's ugly. I have to look in the mirror. Let me see. Just spin. Okay, let me see. Let me give me a selfie. Let me see a selfie. Like, it's like a vibe. Guys, I skin Dalmatians for a part-time job. I kind of like it for $15. It's not that bad, but it's still like... I don't know how I feel about it. Look at 3 for $10, Chad. If it's 3 for $10, there's no way. 3 of those for $10? No way. That's too cheap. Clearly synthetic. Looks like something a prostitute. What? Okay, you can't travel with extra coats. True. But for one day, I would be snazzy. Damn, look at all these buns. Look at it. I think it's 3 for $10 everything. That's so good. Okay. I'll go back there later. Comes back next stream with a Cruella coat. Okay, wait, chat. Don't count my footsteps. Oh! Okay, we're almost home. Mama's gonna keep you safe. Mama's gonna keep you nice and warm, okay, guys? Yes, I am Mama in this situation. Okay, we're almost there. Stop. Pick up. Okay. Oh my god, we made it. Oh my god. Yeah, that was a long ass day. We did so much crazy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh my god. Oh god, you guys are smudgy. Y'all smudgy as fuck. Okay, wait, one sec. Are you guys better? Less smudgy? Smudgy or less smudgy? Okay, give me the bird gang. The fuck? Is it good? Is it good? Where am I? We're home! We're home. Oh god, my back. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Oh yeah. Bye, Inu. Aw. Thanks. No. Good. Clean again? Good? What's Sakura House? What do you mean Sakura House? You aren't thirsty? No water here, chat. I gotta drink from the tap. It's fine. I gotta clean up, chat. I can't deal with this. It's like, man, I'm shit everywhere. Okay. Guys, I can't believe we got used panties. Okay, let me just get a drink and then I'll be back. Okay, one sec. Okay. Okay, back with my tap water. Oh, it's pretty small, but it's fine. Yeah, you guys missed me, yeah. Oh god, that's good. Girl streamers chat is so cringe, right? I don't think mine is that cringe. I think mine's fucking hilarious. Some chats though, I gotta agree with you. Some... Okay.